What if I told you there were tiny content creators that were making well over $100 per day with web hosting affiliate programs and that you could actually do it too? You'd probably say that's impossible. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you have the potential of making $100 per day with various web hosting affiliate programs. First, we're going to take a look at small creators that are already having success. We're going to take a look at some keywords and more. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn how you could start making $100 per day with web hosting affiliate programs. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pocket. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so this video will be composed of 3 parts. Part number 1 will be examples of small content creators that are making $100 per day or more. Part number 2 will be how to create content that actually earns affiliate commission. And in part 3, I'll reveal keywords that you can use to start earning affiliate commissions in the web hosting affiliate program space. But first, let me share with you a few different ways that I've earned affiliate commissions with the Bluehost affiliate program. The first way I earned commissions was simply answering questions over on Quora. After I watched a video from some guru, I went and got my affiliate link from the Bluehost affiliate program and I started answering questions. And as I answered those questions, I would simply just add in my affiliate link. And so I answered probably about 4 or 5 questions within 30 minutes. Now, this is actually the wrong way to earn affiliate commissions on Quora because it's a violation of their terms of service. Even though I did violate Quora's terms of service, I was actually able to earn 2 affiliate commissions for $130 in just 1 day. And the second way that I earn affiliate commissions is with a YouTube channel. And it's actually not the channel that you're watching right now. You see, I have a faceless YouTube channel where I simply upload videos about web hosting, which we'll talk about in just a moment. Another way that I earn affiliate commissions with the Bluehost affiliate program is simply with courses that I sell. You see, the students that take my courses oftentimes want to start a blog or a website, and I help them with that, and then I just give them my affiliate link. All right, so now that you know a little bit about my experience in earning commissions with web hosting affiliate programs, let's take a look at examples of small content creators that are actually earning affiliate commissions with different web hosting affiliate programs. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right into my computer and I'll show you a few examples. Example number 1 is over on TikTok. You can see that people are generating anywhere between a couple thousand views to 1 million views simply teaching people how to start a blog or a website, and they're just adding in their affiliate link. And if you can generate 1 million views, I guarantee you that a few of those people will click and buy. And as you can see here, some of these content creators are actually really small, but there are lots and lots of views to be had, and this is just over on TikTok. Next, if we take a look at this channel right here, this person only has 8,000 subscribers but has 7.6 thousand views, and if we look, they're offering a Bluehost discount, and that Bluehost discount is ultimately an affiliate link that if someone clicks and buys, they earn a commission. If we take a look here, this person, Namecheap versus GoDaddy, 318 views, he has 11,000 subscribers. Now, one thing that you have to understand is when you're creating this type of content, the number of views don't matter because they're highly targeted views. I would rather have 4,000 views on Shopify versus GoDaddy versus having 10,000 views on something that's more general and more broad. These are highly targeted views where people know the problem and they know the solution. So you can see that this is happening again and again and again with creators of all sizes. All right, now that we see that creators all sizes are able to earn affiliate commissions, let's take a look at part 2, which is talking about the best types of content to create. Now, I speak to so many affiliate marketers that struggle to get leads and earn commissions. And when I ask to look at their content, it's actually really easy to see why they're not earning any commission. Oftentimes they're using poor AI voices. They're also using poorly made in-video AI videos, poorly made PowerPoint presentation. And so I always ask them, would you buy from me? If you stumbled across this video in the wild, would you first click on it and watch it? And oftentimes they say no. And so I always ask them this question. If you wouldn't buy from you, why would you assume that somebody else would buy from you? Another issue that I see is content creators are often very inconsistent. I believe that you need to upload at least 3 videos per week to get the traction that you need. The reason why I think you need to upload at least 3 videos per week is so that you can get better at making videos, you can get into the algorithm, and there's a better chance of one of those videos doing very, very well. But honestly, if you're not willing to upload 3 videos per week, don't waste your time. Now that we talked about what doesn't work, let's go ahead and talk about some things that do work. Number 1 is research. You have to actually learn about the product that you're promoting. Oftentimes the audience or viewer has done extensive research into the web hosting platform that they're interested in buying. So if you want them to click on your affiliate link and buy, you have to do research to know as much as they know, if not more, or else they're not going to buy from you. Another thing that I do that helps out a lot is simply asking myself who, what, when, where, why, and how. Now, these questions will actually be the basis of your content. Now, you're going to use these questions to put yourself in the mind of your viewer. Your viewer is already asking these questions. You want to answer the questions that they're already asking. For example, here's what I do. I simply take out a sheet of paper and I'll write down who, what, when, where, why, and how. Next, I'll write down questions associated to each one of those major questions. For example, if I'm going to create a video about Bluehost review, I might ask these questions. Who should use Bluehost? Who shouldn't use Bluehost? What factors should you consider before starting a website on Bluehost? When you follow this method, you will help the viewer and you'll make better content, which will help increase the number of sales that you earn. And at the end of the day, if you want to make more money, make better content. In reality, making poor content worked probably about 15 years ago. That no longer flies. It's simple. Make good content or you're not going to earn affiliate commission. Okay, so now that we've seen examples of successful affiliate marketers and we know the type of content you need to create, let's go ahead and look at some keywords that you could use to start earning affiliate commission. Let's go ahead and jump back into my computer. We can take a look at these keywords and why they work. All right, so the first thing that I want to show you is this pyramid or inverted funnel. If we look at this, at the bottom here, this is where the money is. This is where people are making the buying decision. And that's essentially where you want to be. Oftentimes, new content creators will try and create content up here because they feel that this is the largest group of people. Ultimately, the largest group of people comes with more competition, which can lead to frustrations, anger, and no commissions. But if you create content down here, you are closest to the money. And so let's go ahead and take a look at a few examples of the content you could create. Number one is Bluehost review, or the web hosting platform and review. People that are looking up review are very close to buying. They just want to make sure that they are going to buy the best thing for them. This is bottom of the funnel content. And the reason why it's so narrow is because there are so many different web hosting options out there, but these people have narrowed on Bluehost. So you can create content with Bluehost review, Bluehost setup, because people that are usually looking for setup, they've either purchased the product or they want to see how to set it up before purchasing the product. So Bluehost setup, Bluehost review is a very good one. In fact, if we come back up here and you just type in Bluehost, you'll see a list of keywords that people are searching. Bluehost WordPress tutorial, Bluehost coupon code is a very good one because you could simply just include your affiliate link. And this is a very simple way to go. Look at this one, Bluehost coupon code, 2.4 thousand views. This person only has 10,000 subscribers, 2.7 thousand views, 11,000 subscribers, all with Bluehost coupon code, and they're earning commissions with it. Okay, so that's one way. The next way is after review is versus. So here people have narrowed down their choices 2 or 3, and they want to see which one is right for them. So if you do your web hosting platform versus another one, so Bluehost versus HostGator, for example, this is a highly targeted search, and you can see that people are looking this information up. 9,000 views, 35 subscribers, 17,000 views, 17,000 subscribers. So this works again and again and again. You simply just add in your affiliate link. Now what you can do is you can do Bluehost versus every single one of these. Bluehost versus Squarespace. And in fact, bonus tip, you could actually be an affiliate for both and potentially make money. But if we look at this, Bluehost versus Squarespace, 257 views, 1,000 subscribers, 428 views, 410 subscribers. These are very good view to subscriber ratios. And again, these are very targeted pieces of content that are speaking directly to people that are ready to make a buy. Now look at this one, 1.5 thousand views, 55 subscribers. My best hosting review. And if we look at this, his account is dedicated only to Bluehost web hosting, and he's getting a bunch of views. Wix versus GoDaddy hosting, 12,000 views. A2 hosting versus SiteGround, 4.1 thousand views. Now these videos are a little bit older, but people are still checking them out. The next thing that you can do is Bluehost alternative. So people want to know if there's something better out there. They might not know the names of these newer products, but they want to see if there's something better out there that they can choose from. So alternatives works out very well. The next one is actually best website builder for. Now, if we get rid of small business, we can delete that, but you can see here that people are looking up best website builder for all of these different things here. And if we look at this, this is probably about right here, best X or Y, okay? But if we look at this, best website builder, lots of views to be had. This is going to be a little bit more competitive because people don't exactly know what the solution is. They understand the problem, but they don't know what the solution is at this point. And so you're going to have more people asking questions and it's going to be a little bit more competitive. But you can see here, ultimately, Ultimate Website Builder Comparison, 133,000 views, 3,000 subscribers. So this stuff works, guys. If you just put your affiliate link in the description, you can start seeing affiliate commissions. The next one that we can look at is how to start a underscore blog. This is, again, going to be a little bit more competitive because people are looking up general information. They have an idea of what they want to do, but they don't quite know how to do it. And so you're going to find here that people aren't necessarily going to buy at this stage. They're more of in a fact-finding mission. In fact, the video here on the screen is actually one of my videos, and I earn affiliate commissions from these types of videos. So I know that they work. The final one is how to start a blank business. And again, if we look at this, this is going to be more competitive, but one of the things that people need in order to start a business is a website. And so you can actually include that in your content. But as you can see, there are lots of content creators that have tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, and even 1 million views at this space because it's a question that lots of people are asking. But simply what you can do is how to start and then you do underscore like this, and you can see there are all sorts of things that pop up. You can also go through each letter of the alphabet, how to start a business, and basically all of these are going to be the same. You need to have a website, you got to start an LLC, things of that nature. But if we click on this, you're able to see once again that there are lots of views. Now look at that, 3,000 subscribers, 5,000 subscribers, 3.6 thousand views, simply teaching people how to start different types of businesses. And what you can do is create this content, find different affiliate programs that are relevant to it, and then include them. As you can see, there are also small subscribers that are doing this as well. Now that you know how to make $100 per day with the web hosting affiliate program, there's still a little bit more that you need to know when it comes to affiliate marketing. Watch this video next if you want to learn how to make more money with affiliate marketing.